So in this Apple Pages tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to turn off spell check here on the Pages iPhone application. So to make sure that spell check's turned on in the first place, if I were to go ahead and spell check, just like this, if it's turned on, there's going to be a red line underneath it. Now, if you want to turn it off, it's pretty simple. Go to the top right, press on the three dots. Then once you're here, scroll down to where it says settings. Under settings right here where it says autocorrect, go ahead and select that. And at the top where it says spell check, make sure that you go ahead and press it so that it's turned off. Once that is done, go to the top right, press on the check mark right there. And as you can tell, I've clearly spelled it wrong, but the red line's missing because spell check is now turned off. If you want to turn it back on, it works the exact same way. Don't do that. Sorry, my apologies. Auto correction, turn it back on, check it, and then it's turned back on. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how to turn off spell check on the Pages iPhone application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.